In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best cold furniture discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for cold furniture discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website which is called voucher discount and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get, let's say this one with 15% discount of your first order, all you need to do is select show code right here. And this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy your promo code and you can apply this one on your first order in order to get this 15% discount. Also, we have right here this website which is called wordpenny.com. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes as well that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this 20% discount right here, or you can simply select show code from right here, and the promo code will show up. As you can see, you can tap right here to copy this promo code and apply this one on your next order so that you can get this 20% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.